is Deepak from TechPex Research and Innovation Services. Might be you people get bored by using the coding and all for the wireless communication for the many other domains. So for those guys, the optical communication is one of the interesting topic where you can implement the new models, new technologies by not only doing the coding. We need not to use the coding. You can design by using its library. It's a number of options along with it. You can see all technologies for the WDM transmitter libraries and number of libraries are available in the system. So in the same chain, what we have done, we have implemented one of the advanced system, that is EDFA for the SOA, with the SOA, with the changing the channel capacity. By changing this channel capacity, we have reduced the bit rate at the output and done the analysis by changing different channel capacity. So it is basically the WDM transmitters based WDM system based communication in the optical. For this, you can see the WDM transmitters have been used at the transmitter end. Then AMUX is being used for transmitting the data and clubbing it to the single communication channel, and then at the receiver end, the EDFA system is being used after the optical fiber. Raman amplification is there, so Raman amplifier is being used, and demux is there to get the output at the system. Then the performance is being analyzed. This is one of the section only. You can see at the title that first objective. So we have covered number of case scenarios to implement this thing. So but we have not that much time to explain each and everything. So I am going to demonstrate you what exactly it is giving. So might be you are aware about the OptiSystem system. So here it is a play button where will be used for the calculation whatever you have designed. Whenever you click here, a window will be appear over there. You need to click on this. It will start processing. You can see the WDM transmission is completed, pump laser have been done, idle muxing is being done. Now the optical fiber communication is being processed. Next phase is the EDFA transmission, and now the amplification is being processed so that the average power model can be done. Later the demuxing will be there, and the whole process will be completed with passing it by the Bessel filter at the receiver end. You can do the analysis by using the different spectrum analysis, BER analysis, and many more options in the Opti system. I'm going to show those results once it is done. You can see now it is showing that the calculation is finished. You need to close it from here, the cross button. Here what I have done, I have analyzed it at after the demux, then after the optical filter. You can see the variation in the spectrum, and also done the BR analysis. Eye diagram can also be shown over here. You can see for the different scenarios this will be different, and will as much the space between the eye will be more, the system will be more efficient, the BR will be reduced, the Q factor should be maximum, eye height should be increased, and many other factors. So this is how you can implement it in the optical system and EDFA system, which is very trending for the optical communication. So that we have designed in this, and many other cases are also available in this particular section. So I hope you people like this video and this will help you in for your research work. Definitely you can contact us on our website or even on the contact numbers to get more ideas. Even you can share your idea to get more things, that what perfect possibilities will be there to enhance the results, right? So thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned. Thank you.